Configuration operation and firmware upgrading of time monitor. Step 1. Wiring. Insert the SIM card in the card slot. Connect the antenna and network cable. One end of the network cable is connected to the computer, and the other end to the LAN port of the router. Then plug in the power. Connect the power line to the terminal. Then connect to the router. For power line, the one with black and white stripes is positive. All black is negative. The positive pole is to the PW or interface of the router. The negative pole is to the GND interface of the router. Finally, the wiring steps are completed. Step 2. Configuration. Turn on the computer. Open Network and Sharing Center. Click Ethernet on the left column. Right column, open, change adapter options. Mouse over Ethernet. Right-click and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP, IP4. There are two methods to quickly configure the router. Method 1, automatically obtain it. Select Obtain an IP address automatically. Select Obtain DNS server address automatically. Click OK. Click OK. Return to Network Connections. Double-click Ethernet. Select Details. The default IP address of the router is 9 network segment. Once automatically obtains a 9 network segment IP address, it proves that the router is connected to the computer. Method 2, set to a static IP address on the same network segment, requiring users to configure relevant parameters. According to projects and business needs. Mouse over Ethernet. Right-click and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP, IP4. Select Use the following IP address. PLS fill in the following address according to your actual needs. After entering, click OK. Click OK. Return to Network Connections. Double-click Ethernet. Select Details. Check if the setup is complete. After the setting is successful, open browser. Enter 192.168.9.1.9999. Note that the colon is in half-width format. Enter username and password. The default username and password are both admin. Enter the configuration page. Switch to English version. Click 1 on the left column. Select wireless dial-up or 4, 5G network. If your card is a normal IoT card or ordinary calling card, submit by default. If it is a APN, BPD and private network card, you need to fill in corresponding access point, username and password. Then click Submit. After submitting, you can connect to the internet. If want to check does it connects to the internet, PLS select System in the left column. Select Status. Reading, Net State. If display, Online. Prove that it is connected to the network. One thing to note here is that, if it is a APN, BPD and private network card, then in the left column, Network Keep Alive. Utter 1, Utter 2, Utter 3 must be changed to pingable IP address in the private network. Click Submit. Above is our quick configuration method. Step 3, Firmware Upgrading. After the configuration is complete, you can upgrade the firmware. In general, we use web pages for programming. PLS asks for firmware from technical person before updating. Then open the browser and enter 192.168.9.1.9999. The default username and password are both admin. Login configuration page. Switch to English version. In the left column, System, Upgrade. Router Upgrade Version. Click Select File. Choose the firmware provided by more. Then, click Flash Firmware to start the upgrading. Note, the router can be powered off during the upgrading. The indicator light flashes alternately during the upgrading. The indicator light will turn off after the upgrading. The upgrade process takes about 4 minutes. After that, the router will automatically restart. Refresh the configuration page after the router restarts. In the left column, System, Status. Checking, System version. Is it the same as the firmware version upgraded? Same version indicates the upgrade has been successful. If any question about above operation, please contact us.